Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create um, slanted blur as a transition in CapCut PC. Select your images or videos you like to edit. So for example, select the back, select opening and closing, and select vertical blur so you can make it shorter. Okay, make it shorter and put on top um, the end of the first clip and go to select second clip, select animation, select in animation, and select collision. Just put the duration and right 0.4 seconds. So this is the final effect. Okay, you can see it. So basically, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.